यो प्रश्न हेरौं मलाई चाहिएको कुरा तिमीसँग छ Do you have what I need? Do you have what I need? पहिले मलाई भन कि तिमीलाई के चाहिएको छ First tell me what you need. First tell me what you need. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै प्रश्न उत्तरको हामी अभ्यास गर्ने छौं। के तिमी मसँग आउन चाहन्छौ? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? यदि तपाईले यात्राको लागि पैसा तिर्नुहुन्छ भने म आउने छु I will come if you pay for the trip. I will come if you pay for the trip. Trip भनेको यात्रा I will come if you pay for the trip. तिमीले मेरो लागि के ल्यायौ? What did you bring for me? What did you bring for me? मैले तिम्रो लागि केही कपडाहरू ल्याइदिएको छु I brought some clothes for you. I brought some clothes for you. तिमीले उसलाई झुटो किन बोल्यौ? Why did you lie to him? Why did you lie to him? समय आएपछि म उसलाई सत्य कुरा भन्नेछु I will tell him the truth when the time comes. I will tell him the truth when the time comes. When the time comes को अर्थ समय आएपछि यसबारे अर्कै भिडियो छ यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानलमा हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला I will tell him the truth when the time comes. के तिमी उनलाई साथमा ल्याउने छौ? Will you bring her along? Will you bring her along? म पहिले उनलाई सोध्ने छु I'll ask her first. I'll ask her first. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru and Hamro Online Class. दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनका लागि तिमी उच्च शिक्षाको लागि कहाँ जान्छौ? Where will you go for higher studies? Where will you go for higher studies? म सायद विदेश जान्छु अथवा म विदेश जान सक्छु I might go abroad. I might go abroad. Abroad को अर्थ हुन्छ विदेश I might go abroad. के तिमीले आफ्नो काम पूरा गर्यौ? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? म यसलाई पछि पूरा गर्नेछु I will finish it later. I will finish it later. तिमी आफ्ना नराम्रा बानीहरू कहिले त्याग्ने छौ? When will you quit your bad habits? When will you quit your bad habits? म सक्दो प्रयास गर्दैछु. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. के भाग लिन चाहने कोही छ? Is there anyone who wants to participate? Is there anyone who wants to participate? Participate. Participate भनेको भाग लिनु. Is there anyone who wants to participate? अब उत्तरमा म सहभागी हुन चाहन्छु. I'd like to participate. I'd like to participate. तिमी एक दिनमा कति घण्टा काम गर्छौ? How many hours do you work in a day? How many hours do you work in a day? उत्तरमा त्यो काममा भर पर्छ. It depends on the work. It depends on the work. अनि के तपाईहरुले यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गरिसक्नु भएको छ त? लाइक गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने अवश्य गर्न नछुटाउनु होला र शेयर हान्न पनि नबिर्सिनु होला. तिमी किन एक्लै बस्छौ? Why do you live alone? Why do you live alone? मेरो अरु कुनै विकल्प छैन. I have no other choice. I have no other choice. मन त छैन तर गर्नै पर्छ. त्यही भन्न खोजेको हो. I have no other choice. तिमी किन उनीसँग घुलमिल गर्छौ? Why do you hang out with her? Why do you hang out with her? Hang out को अर्थ हुन्छ घुलमिल गर्नु वा प्राय सँगै समय बिताउनु. Why do you hang out with her? उत्तरमा उनी रमाइलो मान्छे छिन्. She is a fun person. She is a fun person. के यसले अब काम गर्छ? Does it work now? Does it work now? मलाई थाहा छैन. उसलाई सोध. I don't know. Ask him. I don't know. Ask him. अब यो अर्को हेरौं. Do you think I am a doctor? के तिमीलाई लाग्छ म एक डाक्टर हुँ? के तिमीलाई लाग्छ म एक डाक्टर हुँ? उत्तरमा तिमी डाक्टर जस्तै देखिन्छौ. You look like a doctor. You look like a doctor. के मैले केही गलत गरेँ? Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? त्यो तिम्रो गल्ती थिएन. It wasn't your fault. It wasn't your fault. Fault को अर्थ गल्ती. It wasn't your fault. किन यति धेरै गल्तीहरू छन्? Why are there so many mistakes? Why are there so many mistakes? Mistake को अर्थ पनि गल्ती हो. Why are there so many mistakes? उत्तरमा माफ गर्नुहोस् मैले जाँच गर्न बिर्सेँ. I'm sorry, I forgot to check. I'm sorry, I forgot to check. के तिमी उनीहरूलाई माफ गर्छौ? Will you forgive them? Will you forgive them? त्यो मेरो मूडमा भर पर्छ अथवा मनस्थितिमा भर पर्छ. It depends on my mood. It depends on my mood. के तिमी यो एक्लै गर्न सक्छौ? Can you do it alone? Can you do it alone? यो मैले एक्लै गर्न सक्ने चीज होइन. This isn't something I can do alone. This isn't something I can do alone. के तिमी पार्टीमा आउने छौ? Will you come to the party? Will you come to the party? म आउने कोसिस गर्छु. I will try to come. I will try to come. के यो खाना तिमीले पकाएको हो? Did you cook this food? Did you cook this food? यो खाना स्वादिष्ट छ. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. Delicious को अर्थ स्वादिष्ट. This food is delicious. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have a beautiful day.